Hello, Rosie. Good evening. Hello, hello. Good evening.
Teacher.
Hello, good evening, and welcome again to our class for today. So, how are you today, Rosie? Good. Wow, did you already eat your dinner?
Yes.
Oh, what did you eat for dinner? What did you eat? Did you eat rice for dinner? Or did you eat chicken, fish? What did you eat for dinner? Eh? Chicken? Wow, chicken and rice? Mm? Wow, that's very delicious. And are you ready to continue our lesson for today?
Yes.
Okay, so last time, teacher gave you an assignment where you need to name all of the things that you know, especially in this picture. So now let's review all of the things. Did you already did your assignment last time, or have you
Yes.
finished? Okay. So now, can you tell me some things that you can see, or can you name some things that you can see, especially in this picture, in this dollhouse?
Sofa
Sofa, very good. And where is the sofa here? What is the color?
is gray.
Very good. It's gray. So, can you circle? Can you circle the sofa or no? You cannot
No.
circle. Ah, you cannot use your pen. Oh, it's okay. So, this one you are right. This is a sofa. So, this is one of the common things that we can see, especially in our house. How about in your house? Rosie, what is the color of your sofa?
I don't have a sofa.
Ah, you don't have a sofa? Really?
Yes.
At in your house? Mm, okay. It's okay. So this one is a sofa. So when we say sofa, Rosie, so sofa is a big seat. So this is where many people can sit together. So a sofa, so we can usually see it in the living room. Okay. Next, can you tell another thing that we can see in this picture?
A mirror.
Mirror. Oh, where is the mirror? Hmm. Can you tell teacher where did you see the mirror? Or can you describe? Oh, can you describe what the mirror looks like? Hmm. Where is the mirror? Is it in this part? In this part? Yes or no?
No.
No. How about in this part?
Yes.
Oh, yes. Oh, what is the color of the mirror?
What? It's white.
Okay, very good. So I can see. Is this the mirror?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So our second thing that we have at home is the mirror. So when we say mirror, it is the thing that we have in our house where we can see ourselves or how we look. We can see how we look. So a mirror is a reflection of how we look. How about in your house? Rosie, do you have a mirror?
Yes.
Oh, is it a big mirror or is it just a small mirror?
A big mirror.
Ah, it's a big mirror. What color is your mirror?
It's white.
Ah, it's also white. Wow. So I have just a small mirror. So it's color pink. Yeah. It's color pink. It's my mirror in my bedroom. Where is your mirror? Is it in the living room, bedroom? Where is your mirror? Is it in the bathroom?
The bedroom.
Ah, okay. It's in the bathroom. But in this picture, can you tell teacher, where is the mirror? Is it in the living room?
Yes.
Yes, very good. So this one is the living room because this is where we saw the sofa. Okay, very good. So usually most of the people they put mirror in their bathroom and living room. Okay, next. Can you tell another thing that you can see in the picture?
The stair.
Stair, very good. Wow, what color is the stair?
It's white.
Okay, very good. It's white. Is this the stair?
Yes.
Yes, very good. So when we say stair, so stair is the one that we use in our house where we use it to go up or to go down. In your house, Rosie, do you have a stair?
Yes.
Yes, wow. And what is the color of your stairs? Is it also white, like in the picture?
It's gray.
Oh, it's gray. Oh, so do you use your stair to go to your bedroom? Do you use your stair? Do you use your stair to go to your bedroom?
Yes.
Oh, yes. Also, your bedroom is on the second floor of your house because usually, so that is where we use stairs. If our house has a first floor, this one is so looking at this house or doll house, this part of the house is the first floor. So we will go up. So this is what we call this one, the second floor. Okay, I cannot move it. Let me just reload. So the one that we go up to is the second floor of our house. Okay, good job. So that is stairs. And how about the next furniture or next thing that you can see in this picture? Hmm.
See the fish.
It's
A fish.
fish. Oh, where is the fish?
A fish.
A fish like this one? Fish.
No.
Ah, dish. How do you spell that one?
F
F
R
R
A
A
I.
I. Oh, okay. I know that one. Fridge. Is that correct? Oh, okay. Fridge. Very good. And I have a question for you. Where do we usually see fridge? Hmm. Where do we see fridge? Can we see the fridge in the living room,
No.
bathroom? In the
We
bathroom.
we see the fish in the kitchen.
Very good. So we see the fridge in the kitchen because fridge is where we store the food that we have that usually gets spoiled. Like for example, vegetables, fruits. So we need to put those in the fridge for it to not get spoiled too early. Okay. What do you have a fridge in your kitchen?
Yes.
Yes. And what do you usually put or store in your fridge? What do you put? Do you put fish, fruits, vegetables, chicken? What are the things? Or chocolates? Do you put or store chocolates in your fridge? Or like
Fruit,
fruits?
yolk,
Oh, yogurt. Oh, fruits, yogurt. How about juices or sodas? Do you drink sodas?
no.
Ah, no, that's so nice. How about juice? Orange juice, strawberry juice,
Mm,
only fruits and yogurt?
yes.
Oh, okay, that's so nice. So that is fridge. So that is where we store food so that the food will have a longer life. Okay. And next, can you give another thing that we can usually see in the house or in this house?
Can sing.
Sink, very good. And can you tell teacher where can we see the sink?
We see a sink in the kitchen.
Okay, very good. So usually we see the sinks in the kitchen because sink is where we wash our hands and our food. Do you have a sink or do you have a kitchen sink in your kitchen?
Yes.
Okay, what do you do in your kitchen sink? Do you wash your hands? Do you wash your face? Or do you help your mother clean or wash the food? What do you do in your kitchen sink?
I wash hands.
Oh, I wash my hands. Very good. That's so nice. That's a nice way to have your hygiene because washing our hands, though it helps us prevent some bacterias for coming inside our body. So washing hands is a great practice. So very good. So is this the kitchen sink in the picture?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So this one is the kitchen sink. Very good. And next, can you tell me more about the things that you saw in this picture?
The trash can.
Trash can. Very good. And where did you saw the trash can in the picture?
Here.
Is it
It's
hmm,
next
is
to
it in the living room? In the
kitchen.
kitchen also. Very good. What is the color of the trash can? Its color? Hmm. What color is it? Its color, I think it's color gray also, or metallic gray, what we call metallic gray. Yeah, so metallic gray. So this is a trash can. Is this the trash can?
Yes.
Yes, very good. So trash can, or we can also call it as trash bin. So both are correct. So trash can and trash bin. So for trash can, so this is where we put the things that we don't need, especially the food or the leftover things, food and vegetables. Okay. So, do you have a trash can or trash bin in your house? Oh, yes. Where is your trash can? Is it also in the kitchen?
No.
Ah, no. Where is it?
It's in the bathroom.
Ah, it's in the bathroom. Yes, that's good because most common places that we put our trash can or trash bin is in the kitchen or either in the bathroom because That is where we usually clean ourselves. We clean the things that we need. Okay, very good. How about the other things? Can you give more things that you can or you saw in the picture?
Painting.
It's the
Painting.
oh, painting. Can you describe what does the painting looks like in this picture? What does it looks like? What is the color of the painting?
This way.
It's gray. Oh, where is the painting? Is it this one?
Yes.
Yes. Oh, is it color gray? Okay, let's zoom. Let's zoom the picture. Oh yeah, when you zoom it, it is color gray. But what is written on the or like the abstract painting on the paint is color is it color purple? Can you also see the purple color? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's gray and purple. So painting. So this is painting serves as a decoration in our house. So we usually put paintings to make our house beautiful. How about in your house, Rosie? Do you have paintings?
Yeah.
Yes. What are the paintings that you have?
Man.
Many paintings. Wow, that's so nice. Because painting, so it adds beautification in our house. So if you have lots of paintings, so it will serve as a decoration. That's so nice. How about the other things? There's still a lot of things that we can see in this picture. Hmm.
A tea table.
Tea table. Is that correct? This one, tea table. Is that right? Ah, no. This one, tea table. Is that correct? Okay, very good. Tea table or what we call as coffee table. So most commonly, it is called as coffee table. Okay, so can you describe what is the look of the coffee table? How does it looks like? What is the color of the coffee table?
Black.
It's black. Oh, where is it? Is this the tea table or coffee table? This one?
This is coffee table.
Ah, this one? This one?
Tea
Or
table.
this one? Okay. Actually, for this one in the picture, so there are some coffee tables here. Like for example, this one. This is also a coffee table or tea table. It also can be this one. Okay. So coffee tables or tea tables, those are the tables that are small. So we usually put coffees or teas in this table. Okay, how about in your house? Is there coffee tables in your house? Or are there? Are there coffee tables in your house?
Yeah.
Oh, yes. Oh, and what do you put in your coffee table? Do you put coffee? Do you put juice? Do you put tea? Or do you put books? Hmm. What do you put on your coffee table?
Tea.
Oh, tea. In our coffee table. Wow, that's so nice. So those are coffee tables. So usually coffee tables, so we can see this one in the living room in front of the sofa because this is where people gather. And this is where people drink their coffees. Okay. And next,
Mm.
what are the other things? Are there other things that did you see in the
Oh,
picture? It's
a bathtub.
bathtub. Wow. Where can we usually see a bathtub? Where can we see or where can we usually see a bathtub?
We see a bathtub in the bathroom.
Very good. I see a bathtub in the bathroom because a bathtub is where we take a bath or bubble bath. So that is the most common thing that we can see, especially in the bathroom. In this picture, can you tell teacher where is the bathtub? Where is it? Hmm, Where's the bathtub? What color is the bathtub?
It's white.
Very good. Is this the bathtub?
Yes.
Okay, good job. This one is the bathtub. So as we can see here, so there is a small sink. So this sink is straight. The water in the sink goes straight into the bathtub. Okay, very good. And we usually see a bathtub in the bathroom. How about in your house? Do you have a bathtub in your house? No. Yeah, because bathtubs are very expensive. And um mostly rich people are those people who have bathtubs. Okay. So that is a bathtub. How about the other things? Can you see any other things in the picture? Hmm.
A washing.
Washing? Washing what?
Yes.
Where is that? Washing? This one? Washing. Washing machine? What?
Wash.
Wash. What is it? Wash?
Sink. Sink.
A sink. A wash sink. Okay. So where can we see a wash sink?
It's in the bathroom.
Okay, very good. Can you tell teacher what color is the wash sink that you can see in this bathroom?
It's white.
Very good. Is this the wash sink?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. So if we have a kitchen sink where we wash our hands, we wash the food, vegetables in the bathroom sink. Actually, we call this as bathroom sink. So we usually brush our teeth, wash our face, wash our hands in the bathroom sink. Okay. How about in your house, in your bathroom sink? What do you do in your
I wash.
bathroom?
I wash hands.
I wash my face or hands.
Hands.
I wash my hands. Do you also brush your teeth in your bathroom sink? Okay, very good. So I also brush my teeth. Good job. Okay, next. How about the other things? Are there other
A
it's
towel.
a
A towel.
towel? Wow, very good. And can you describe to teacher what color are the towels that you can see?
It's black and brown.
Very good. Is this the towels? Are these the
Yes.
towels? Very good. So towels. So we use towels to dry ourselves after taking a bath. Okay. How about in your house, Rosie? What color is your towel?
It's white.
Oh, it's white. Okay, that's so nice. That's a common color that people usually use as a towel. And towels, we mostly see this in the bathroom because we use it after or before taking a bath. Okay, next, are there any other things that you can see in the picture? How about
It's
this one?
a
Go.
rug.
It's a,
Rug.
how do you spell that? Grog?
R.
R.
U.
U.
G.
Ah, okay. It's a rug. Okay, again, let's say rug. Okay, now rug. Again, let's say rug.
Rug.
Okay, very good. Now, can you tell teacher where are the rug or where is the rug that you did see?
It's in the bathroom.
Very good. It's in the bathroom. So usually rugs, we can see it in the bathroom. So for towels, we use it. For towels, we use it to dry our body. However, rugs, we use it to dry our feet after taking a bath. Okay, so that is a rug. And also, we can also see rugs in other parts of our house. Like, for example, in here. So we have here in the living room, there's also a rug. Next, we also have a rug mm, and this one. No? And this, okay, this one in the dining room. So we can also see rugs in different parts of our houses because rugs, so it protects the floor of our houses and also so it dries our feet. So it makes people less or it makes families to have less accidents because of slipping or slippery floors. So it prevents slippery floors. So this rug helps prevent slippery floors. Okay. Are there any other things that you can see in the picture?
The curtain.
Very good, curtain. Now, can you tell teacher where did you saw the curtain or curtain?
It's in the bathroom.
Okay, let's check if it's in the bathroom. Where is the curtain? Hmm, where's the curtain? Is there a curtain? Can you tell teacher where is the curtain?
The
Hmm,
curtain is in the bathroom.
it's in the bathroom. Oh, is this the bathroom?
Yes. Lift.
Yes. Where is it?
Lift.
This one? In here or in this one? Let me just this one. Is it this one? I cannot how to
Yeah.
oh this one in here. Like this one. Where is it? Where is the curtain? But actually, yes, we can mostly see curtains in the bathroom or in our house. But for this one, actually, it's there is no curtain. Hmm. Because in this house, mostly, so there is no visible window. So we might cannot see a curtain. But that's a very good idea because curtains, so we can usually see it in our houses. So very good. Wow. Good job, Rosie, because I can see most of the things that we can see in this dollhouse. You have named it. Also, you are able to describe. So very good. So good job. Okay. So for this one, so I want you to still review the picture that we have in this activity because in our next class or tomorrow, so we will play a memory game. So I will not give you an assignment for this one, but you need to review, okay, the picture itself. Because tomorrow we will play a memory game about these things that we can see in this dollhouse. Okay? Okay, so make sure to review, okay? Okay, so thank you so much, Rosie. See you again tomorrow. And thank you so much for your time today. So good job. Thank you
Thank
and
you,
goodbye.
teacher.
Goodbye and good night. Good job. Thank you so much. Thank